Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how you can withdraw your PayPal funds even if you don't have a bank account linked. Many people think a bank is required, but PayPal actually provides a few alternatives. The first option is to request a PayPal debit card, also known as the PayPal Cash Card. Once activated, this card allows you to directly spend your PayPal balance anywhere MasterCard is accepted, or withdraw cash at ATMs that support MasterCard. This way, you don't need to transfer money to a bank at all. Another option is to use PayPal's partnership with certain prepaid debit cards. You can link a prepaid card to your account and transfer your PayPal balance onto it. This is helpful if you don't have a traditional bank account, but still want access to your money. You can also withdraw money by sending it to a trusted friend or family member's PayPal account. Once they receive it, they can cash it out through their own bank or card and hand you the funds. Just be sure this is someone you trust completely. Lastly, some regions allow you to withdraw through local cash pickup services or use PayPal with third-party platforms like Western Union or MoneyGram, but this depends on your country. And that's it. Even without a bank account, you can still access your PayPal funds using a PayPal debit card, prepaid cards, or trusted alternatives. Always choose the method that's safest and most convenient for you. Subscribe the channel for more videos.